Look, I think we all long for freedom and to move ourselves closer to that higher power. And where else can one do that but in the air? Over the last decade, I've bought 150 companies that others would have tossed away. I've saved 250,000 jobs. And so that's what drives me each day. I think I came in on June 1st and closed 6 weeks later in a rapid-fire transaction because I want, Howard Hughes's legacy and the people it served. Having a customer that loves your product, wanting to please them, and then taking it one step forward and having your customer, for the most part, be people who give their lives to serve others. Warriors, the 160th, the police forces, EMS rescue. These are people who are working in your aircraft, loving your product. But I will tell you, I was foolish and naive because I didn't understand the industry and I didn't understand what it would take to rebuild a shuttered aerospace company. It takes a team of people with passion, perseverance, vision, and the belief that they can walk in the darkness one foot in front of the other every day till they see the light, but that ultimately the light will come. And that's the hardest part and the most important part of it. And I know that if I can get those things right, that over time that we can rebuild most anything.